How you guys doing tonight? This is Felonious Bitcoin. My name is Matt. I'm here tonight bringing you guys another video for my Candid Co clear aligner treatment. I'm on tray number 6 right now as of tonight, but I'm switching up to tray number 7 for you guys here on camera right now on YouTube. You and me. Let's go. Here we go. So this is what I got. Obviously, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have my number 6 trays in right now. But here's my number 7 trays, and my bottom set and my top set right there. Not really much of a difference between the trays from what I could tell, but it is making a difference, you know, and it's slow, you know. It's like slow and steady wins the race, right? So that's basically what I'm going through right now. I'm halfway done with my treatment, completely halfway done. And yeah, I mean, I'm pretty excited about this. I'm starting to get more confidence, like I said, and I'm getting hit on a lot more by girls and some guys, strangely enough. But yeah, so this is my 7th set right here. And I'm going to put this in for you guys right now so you guys can see. So just let me take these out real quick. Okay. Tray number 6, top. Tray number 6, bottom. Okay. And this is my top set, number 7. I mean, my top set of teeth are pretty much straight. Yeah, but it is going to make slight changes throughout the duration of the rest of my treatment. So you guys should be able to see a little bit of a difference by the end. So here we go, top set. Oh yeah. It's tight, so it's doing something. So here's my bottom set, tray number 7. Not sure if you guys can see much of a difference yet, but from tray number 1 to tray number 7, big difference. If you guys were able to watch my last video, you'd be able to see the difference for yourselves. So that's tray number 7, bottom set, and I'm going to put that in right now for you guys. As far as tray number 6 goes, I didn't really notice that much of a difference happening. The only thing that I really noticed here on out so far is my confidence level has gone up substantially. Not just that, but I've been getting looks left and right. I'm not trying to toot my own horn here, obviously, but I mean, my teeth were really messed up. There was Candid used one of my videos for their ads. And I guess somebody said my teeth were kung fu fighting in the beginning of my treatment. So I got a little bit of a laugh out of that because it was true. You know what I mean? My teeth were really crooked, but they're starting to get straighter now. You know what I mean? I don't know if you guys can see. I'm going to show you real quick my bottom set. So yeah, that's my bottom set of teeth, and my top set, you can't really see it from the front, like from where I'm showing you, but on the trays themselves and the way that I can feel my tongue rubbing across my teeth, I can tell that there's a big difference, like it's been moving, you know? So it's definitely working, it's definitely a great investment, and you can't go wrong with Candid, you can't. I mean, it's just a statistical fact. I mean, you can't. You go with any of these other companies out there that, you know, promise you crazy results in a short amount of time, I wouldn't even fall for it. But Candid Co, very, very well organized company, very laid out plan for me personally, and very communicable. You know, they communicate a lot with you guys, and I mean, I don't think you guys can go wrong. I mean, it's just from my own experience and from what I've seen from other people, I just don't see how you can possibly go wrong using Candid's treatment and their orthodontist. So I would definitely give them a shot. And I'm sure that, you know, if there were ever any trouble that arise from your treatment plan, that they would help you. You know what I mean? So they're there every step of the way. They walk you through everything that you need to do. They're very clear on what you need to be doing and when you need to switch your trays out. So, like I said, you just can't go wrong. So here's my bottom set. I'm putting these in right now. Tray number 7, bottom set. Here we go. It's really tight. I'll be honest with you guys. It is pretty. There's a little bit of discomfort, to say the least, but it's bearable. It's very bearable, and I think it's going to be completely gone within like 2 or 3 days max. So this is Felonious Bitcoin. I'm just giving you guys a little bit of an update. Not really much to say other than my confidence level and me getting looks from all kinds of people. But yeah, besides that, nothing really different. I mean, my teeth are getting straighter. I noticed that. They're closer together. They're not so much kung fu fighting. They're more like yoga poses now. You know what I mean? So it's definitely a big change so far. And I'm halfway done with my treatment, you know. So if you guys want to celebrate, let me know. If you're in Massachusetts, we'll go out. We'll have some drinks. You know, whatever. But like, yeah, this is Felonious Bitcoin, and this is tray number 7, bottom and top sets. And my tray number 6, these are going back in the box as relics of the past, because I don't want to ever have to see my teeth like that again, you know what I mean? But yeah, so if you guys have any questions, please feel free to message me. I'm going to leave my email down below in the description. And if you guys want to ask me any questions, if you guys have any concerns, you know, about Candid's treatment plans, you're more than welcome to hit me up, and you know, I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. But from my own research personally, I've seen, not just from my own testimony, but other people as well, that people have had nothing but positive results using Candid Co's you know, treatment plan. So I would definitely look into it, give it a shot, and I'm also going to be leaving you guys a coupon code for 25% off your impression kits. So if you guys are new to Candid, welcome. Obviously, you guys chose right. You're definitely looking at, you know, looking on these, I don't know how to say it. You guys are looking up these videos for a purpose, you know what I mean? There's obviously a reason, and there must be either you or someone in your family or somebody you know has crooked teeth, or you know, it just crossed your mind that, you know, maybe I should look into this. And I'm telling you guys right now, my own experience, you can't go wrong using Candid. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about that. But yeah, halfway done. Do you guys have any questions? Hit me up. I would like it, and I would appreciate you guys if you could like, subscribe, and share my videos with as many people as you can. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So have a great night, guys, and stay safe out there with this government, you know, craziness going on, okay? So this is Felonious Bitcoin signing off. Have a great night.
Brother, it's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.